Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Thoriq Mubarak. I'm here to presenting my project-based learning. Theme is swarm drone. Our division arrangement: first, we have a division communication by Rio Erpata Ginting, Sarah Anggreni, and Rofia Thoriq Alfala. Second, we have division visual, Jansen Sius Thomas Indrawan, Rio Fernando Silayan. And the last is division motion, Zupriyadi, myself, Thoriq Mubarak, and Suryadi Saputra. So what is our swarm drone technology? Swarm drone technology is consisting of cooperative and autonomous robot that react to the terrain as one unit. This concept will greatly change the laws of the character of technology in 21st century. Swarm stands for Smart War Fighting Array of Reconfigured Models. Okay. Our project overview. Our project objective is drone swarm formation, to develop an algorithm and protocols for creating and maintaining a stable formation of multiple drones in the swarm. Second, we have autonomous navigation, implement advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance system to ensure that the drones can navigate complex environments safely and autonomously. The third, we have communication protocols, design reliable communication protocols to real-time data exchange among the drones, allowing them to share information and coordinate at their action. Next, why we prefer to have a drones. The first is we have the flexibility. The second, we have limited access for exploring the environment. The third, the efficiency. The fourth is cost effective. The five is remote control. The six, monitoring and mapping. The seven, aerial photography and videography. The eight is precision agriculture. The nine is search and rescue. 10, we have scientific research. 11, to recreation. And 12, we have to reduce risks for human advantage. This is our mechanical design for the drones. We made it for 4 propellers. This is the physics concept of the drone, why it can fly. So the physics concept of the drone is we have the motor to pull it up, and we have the weight to stabilize the drone. Our 4 main components of the drone. The first is ESP32 for the microcontroller, and we have 4 brushless motor. The third is the ESC for the motor controller, and the fifth, of course, the battery. This is the electrical design of our drones. So we put the microcontroller to connect it to fourth of the ESC, and then control to the motor brushless. This is the flow chart of the program for the drones. This is the mechanical design of the gimbal. So we using gimbal to try our drones first, because we have to test it if it's stabilized first. This is our gimbal design, and we already assembled it. Okay, before I show you, this is the electrical design for the gimbal. So the gimbal is actually have a sensor too. It has the gyroscope control and axis for our data to for collecting data. The next is we have the flow chart for the gimbal. So what is our progress from the first the beginning of this semester to the end? The first, we have program. We finally made a GUI for drone controls. Second, we done all the electrical for the drone. Third, we have the gimbal is already assembled. For the design, we updated the design from before. We use the LiDAR model and added feet to the drones, and we also finished 1 more drone. This is the view of the results. We have two drones. The first drone we use the orange one, and the second is the blue one. This is our test for the drone. So what is our obstacle of making this project? The first, we didn't have like um, many experience of the programming, because we don't have any background from it. So we have plenty of problems in the programming. The first I can show you is this library compatibility issue. So we face some incompatibility of some libraries of the Arduino. So this is may make us stuck in this situation. The second, we have lack of reference. This project is pretty new for us and for other people. We search it in YouTube. It doesn't have any reference. If it has, it's just a little reference. And the third is with uncompatibility of the hardware and errors. So unlike the software issue, we have hardware issue too. Like we face some problematic hardware, such as loose USB or minimal budget for replacing, and few error caused by it. So for our next project plan is basically just we completed all the hardware. Not all, but this is enough for the next project. We're gonna improve just the programs. For the program, we already set in the GUI for control, and then we have to make variation of the control. This is our overall progress. So the most we've done in this project is build the gimbal and just build the drone. So we have plenty of programs to do. So the program, we have to make it fast in the next semester. This is the overall progress update. Okay, what is my part in this project of this PBL in this semester? We actually didn't have like basic of our individual projects, so we just do it all by ourselves. I'm doing the mechanical, I'm doing the programming, but what the most did I do is actually helping my friend is to programming, because he has more experience from it. So I'm just improving some, like the GUI, fixing some problems in the programming. I can list it. You can see this is my all of my part of this project. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. I think that's all for our project in the semester. The summary of this project in the semester, we are still far from finished, so we must catch up in the next semester. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, don't forget to comment and like the videos. So that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.